Hello students, welcome all of you to your favorite Knowledge Planet powered by PW. I welcome all of you to the launch of Succeed for class 9th. Yes, this batch will be catering class 9th students of CBSE board. Certainly, you are moving from 8th to 9th, a big leap you are taking. Lots and lots of changes. Science breaking down, physics, chemistry, biology, SST. Certainly, we have maths of some different level, different questions. Moreover, English is also there. So, who will be helping you out? Yes, the live classes of your Succeed batch are there to help you out. Now, when the classes will begin and some more details. So, let's see when the classes are beginning. The batch is starting from 17th April 2023. And certainly the classes will be there in the live mode. Moreover, talking about the special prize, of course it is 3000 AED. That's a special prize that we are providing. Now, talking about that what will happen in the class. So, we need to talk about the batch details. So, let's discuss the batch details, how we are going to learn, how we will study, how we will practice, what will happen with the doubts. So, let me clear all these queries and let's see and let's talk about the batch details. So, the first thing that comes in our head is here when we step up in any of the class, we talk about syllabus. So, of course, complete syllabus of class 9th of CBSE board will be covered. You need not fear about physics, chemistry, your biology, SST. The whole syllabus will be covered. What's the start date? Again, 17th April is the start date. Talking about the end date also. So, the end date is 9th of October. Till here, the whole syllabus will be covered. Now, let me share the subjects. So, the subjects that we are going to cover: physics, chemistry, maths, biology, SST and English. Okay. Now, talking about that, okay, the classes will be held live. So, yes, live lectures will be there. You can ask your doubts, you can ask your queries. When you are there in school, you tend to feel that, okay, my doubt was missed or I am having this query. But in our live classes, you can certainly ask any amount of doubt or ample amount of doubt, clear all your queries. You can interact with your teachers. So, yes, you tend to learn more and grasp the topic in a better manner. Okay. Now, this batch will be accessible till your final exams. Need not worry. Your final exams, we are there with you. Till your final exams, we are there with you so that you get good grades. Moreover, not only good grades, but yes, get the understanding. This is the base building class. You need to have basic understanding of important things. Moreover, few topics that will help you in the coming up future also. Now, what will happen if you miss out on any of the class? See, you tend to miss out on class a day or two, or you tend to miss out on some of the classes. You were unwell, you were out of town. Then what will happen? Need not worry. Even if you miss out on any of the class, yes, recorded lecture will be provided. They are available on the website www.myknowledgeplanet.com. Here you can find the recorded lectures also. So, I believe all of you till here we are clear. Okay, so yes, need not worry on any of the parts. So, let's see what are the rest of the details.
Alright guys, so you will be getting a recorded lecture for the classes that you might miss. So, don't worry about that because you will be having the recorded video for the missed lectures. But what about the weekly schedule? A weekly schedule will be shared for you on the website and you can actually check it out on the website itself. A weekly schedule is all about the schedule for the classes which are going to help for you in that particular week. For example, on Mondays we have planned your physics class, on Tuesdays we have planned for your maths class, on Wednesday you we have planned for your chemistry class, so you don't need to note it down. Everything is actually shared with you on the website. But wait, when exactly do you have to attend the class? So the class will be held the classes will be held at 6:30 p.m. according to Indian timing, or you can say 5 p.m. according to UAE timing. But wait, what lecture, what topic we will be covering in the upcoming lecture? How do we get an idea about that? So basically, a lecture planner will also be shared with you, which will give you an idea about all the topics or the chapter you will be covering in the upcoming lectures or the lectures which have been held already. Okay, so don't worry about that. So basically, a lecture planner for all these subjects will be shared with you on the website. Now, don't you think if you are learning so much, you also need to check your understanding? To check your understanding, there are some tests which will be scheduled for you, and a test planner will also be shared with you on the website only. So, test planner will give you an idea about the test number or the chapter or the subject for which you have to attend the test for. So, you will have an idea about the syllabus and the chapter or the subject or in the test planner, and it all will be updated on the website itself. So guys, aren't you excited to actually know about your teachers who all will be helping you and guiding you in your learning journey? So let's know who all will be there in our learning journey.
Now children, let's talk about your teachers. For physics you have Tanya Joshi ma'am. Physics can be very difficult, and for such a difficult subject we need an expert teacher, and here you have this teacher who has taught and mentored 150k plus students in esteemed edtech platforms. She's BTech. She has done BTech, and in fact she is a gold medalist. Your teacher has 5+ years of experience in teaching students of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards as well. She has trained students for NTSE, NSO and various other Olympiads. Okay, so you need not worry at all. She has strongly follows that there is no one size fits all. There is no one size fits all. Yes, it means that the students can be different. Okay, we cater to the needs of different kind of students, and for that we need a strategy. We need to, set up our program just like that it is, okay for everyone. It is, perfect for each and every student, and this is what she is going to do. She has, a great approach in pedagogy and learning. She has experiential and experimental learning trainer. Yes, she is experiential and experimental learning trainer. Now, let's talk about chemistry. See, for chemistry, you have Akshita Chaudhary ma'am. You have Akshita ma'am who has a master's degree in organic chemistry from Osmania University, Hyderabad with state rank 7. Children, she is a state rank holder of 7. Yes. Now, she is also a gold medalist in chemistry in the bachelor's degree. She has volunteered and taught thousands of underprivileged kids in both offline and online mode. She has a total of 2+ years of teaching experience, and she is going to inculcate integrative and collaborative approach in teaching pedagogy. Okay, so for chemistry also you have a great teacher with great values. Now, for your biology, you have Jyoti Gupta ma'am. Okay, now Jyoti ma'am, she has conducted 1000+ sessions in an renowned edtech giant. She has worked in an edtech giant before. She has conducted Olympiad sessions to help students with the scholarship exams such as NTSE, INO, NSO. She has over 5+ years of teaching experience. She is a zealous biologist. Okay, she has a lot of zeal for biology. She has a degree of BSc Life Sciences from Daulat Ram College, University of Delhi. She has, it's a great college, Daulat Ram. She has a bachelor in education. She has done bachelor in education from Amity University, Noida. She has qualified CETA 2019 and 21, and she follows method of experiential learning. Okay, now as I told you, see, bio can be, very lengthy for you. You have to learn a lot of, things. You have a lot of concepts to cram upon. So you need such a teacher who is going to make learning very simple for you. Okay, she's going to make the things very smooth for you. So you're just going to learn your teacher, Jyoti ma'am. Okay, now for maths you have Shivangi ma'am. Okay, Shivangi Rajput, she has 5+ years of teaching experience. She has completed bachelor's in science from Delhi University. Okay, she has done bachelor's in science from Delhi University. She has taught students from CBSE, ICSE and NTSE, and she has taught on reputed edtech platforms. Maths, yes, you are going to fall in love with mathematics with Shivangi ma'am. Now let's talk about social science. Yes, social science itself, it can be a huge subject. It's a huge subject, and you need a great teacher for that, and you definitely have a great teacher for that. That is your Tanya ma'am. She is a former literacy evangelist at One Up Library Studio. She has done sociology honors from Delhi University. She has done masters in sociology from IGNOU, and she has worked on research paper on culture, folklore and education. And you know the best part? The best part is that she has been an education coordinator and managing director at Pen Pencil Preschool. Okay, she's a MT at this preschool. She is also a certified English trainer from Ambedkar University, and she has 3+ years of teaching experience. So sociology, it's going to be a cakewalk for you. Okay, now for English. You have Nupur Sharma ma'am. Don't we look familiar? See, for English you have me. I am going to take your English, and my name is Nupur Sharma. Okay, I have 8+ years of teaching experience. Okay, and in online and offline teaching experience, I have the experience in both the fields. I have done my post-graduation in English, and I am also an advanced diploma holder in French. I have qualified CETET and various other teaching examinations. I have taught French and English in various institutions, and I have taught and mentored many students in esteemed edtech platforms. Okay, now, again, when we talk about English is such a subject. Either it is loved a lot. Students, they are head over heels for this subject. They love this subject a lot. Or either they hate this subject. They do not want to give a lot of time for English. They want to give their time to other subjects. They want to give it for science and mathematics, but they do not want to give their time to English. Why? Because they think that it's a very simple subject and we are going to score very good marks. But the reality is, the truth is that we do not score good marks. Sometimes we lose our marks. I am going to teach you that how you will not lose your marks. How not to lose your marks, that is very important. Okay, we are always talking about gaining marks, but here we are going to talk, in your batch, we are going to talk about that how not to lose your marks. Okay, and also what we are going to do, because we do not have that much time for English, so we are going to learn in the class itself. In the class itself, we are going to learn all the concepts, each and everything, whether it be grammar, whether it be any topic. Okay, and we are just going to enjoy this session. You are going to enjoy this session with me, with your teacher, Nupur Sharma ma'am. Okay.
Hello everyone. So far you have understood about the weekly schedule, the test series, and you have also learnt about, or I would rather say have understood about, our teachers really well. But what are the key features, the highlights of this program? Well, let's see all of them one by one. Starting with daily homework assignments. Now, these daily homework assignments will keep you and will help you understand the concepts better. See, practice makes a man perfect. More you practice, more you do the assignments, more better will you understand the concepts. To add on to this, we have scheduled test papers. These scheduled test papers will keep you on par with all the other students that are there in the batch. And it will also help you analyze where all are you making mistakes and how you can better them so that you do not repeat them in the examinations that you are going to write. Followed by this, we have a very enticing feature which is nothing but our video player mode. This video player mode is going to make your learning experience really fun. It is going to keep you engaged, and this feature is going to make your learning an experience of a lifetime. Followed by this, and to add on to this, we also have a feature called as the polling feature. Now, how does this polling feature make a difference? This polling feature is going to give you the feeling of being, like literally being with the teacher in the class, because you get to answer and you get to make or choose the options that you feel are right, which will give you the experience of actually being in the class, and you will be appreciated every time you make the right answer. And if at all there is a mistake, then you will be told where all you're making the mistake. To add on to this, we have another amazing feature, which is nothing but you can watch and suggest us about the lectures. You can watch the lectures and tell us if you want to help us in adding any more content to it, which is going to make your understanding, your learning better. So your input is also very important for us, and you are allowed and you are given the platform to give us the input, which we shall take into consideration. Along with that, if there is any issue, you can also report about it. You can also write about it to us regarding whatever in the lecture that you find is not right, or if you feel is not to the point. Then we will make sure that we deliver it to your heart's content. So when there are so many enticing features, why the wait? Do join the session, do join the program. Now the question is, how will you join the program? Well, there's nothing to worry about. All you have to do is go on to this link, click on to the link, and you have to select the batch you want to join. Once you select the batch you want to join, all you have to do is buy. You have to make the payment, and once the payment of 3,000 rupees is done, you are and then you will become the part of this amazing session, of this amazing program, and of the amazing batch where you will have the learning of a lifetime, where you will enjoy every second, and learning is going to be experienced in such an enthralling way that you are going to have a lot of fun. Learning is then going to become fun for you, and that is exactly what we are here for, to deliver. Thank you.